A new channel called Super Emotional Stories has managed to attract 674 million views and over 1.2 million subscribers with just 132 videos. This incredible success was achieved while all of the content on this channel, including voiceovers, animations, and images, was generated 100% using AI. By cleverly utilizing AI tools, this channel has not only attracted millions of views, but also achieved significant monthly revenue. Dozens of other channels are also using this exact formula and are seeing explosive growth in their views and revenue. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the entire process of starting such a channel from scratch. What will you learn? The complete content creation process. From ideation to execution, I will carefully cover every step. How to use AI tools to produce short and long videos to create engaging and professional content. How to edit videos to look professional and engaging. If you're ready to launch your own channel and achieve great success, this video will give you all the tools and knowledge you need. Using artificial intelligence and creativity, you too can become one of the most successful content creators. Get started today and watch your channel grow like crazy. Now, after signing up for DeepSeek, you will be presented with its user interface. Here, I am asking DeepSeek to generate a list of suggested names for a YouTube channel in the 3D animal stories niche. With the deep thinking feature enabled, the AI will take a few moments to come up with solid and creative channel name ideas. After receiving the suggestions, choose the name you like and enter it into your YouTube account. Creating a script with an AI chatbot. The first thing you need to create your video is a compelling script. For this, I use DeepSeek. Here, I will share with you the command I used. After preparing the script, it is time to generate high-quality audio. For this, I use 11 Labs, as this platform produces more realistic and professional sounds that are suitable for your videos. From the various AI voices, choose the one that matches your content. After selecting the voice, click the Generate button to generate your voice. Download the audio file. Now that you have your script and audio ready, it's time to gather images that go with each scene in your story. Next, we'll animate these images to turn them into video. But for now, it's best to focus on producing high-quality images. Generating images gives you more control over the visual style of your video. This will help you make sure the images fit your story, and you can add motion effects to them later. To generate images, I use Leonardo AI. This tool allows you to create engaging visuals that are relevant to your story. Log into Leonardo AI and click on the AI image creation option. Set the aspect ratio. For long YouTube videos, use a 16:9 rectangular ratio. If you're creating short content like reels or shorts, a 9:6 ratio is more appropriate. Copy your script from the chatbot and paste it into the prompt section of the tool. Select the visualization model. Set the image style to 3D animation to make your images look more dynamic and professional. Click the Generate button and wait for the images to be generated. If you are not satisfied with the output, you can run the same command again but change the visualization model. You can also edit the command slightly to get new results. After generating the images, download them and organize them according to the scenes of your story. This will help you be more efficient during the animation phase. Start now and produce your professional videos using AI. Step-by-step tutorial on professional video editing in CapCut to earn money from YouTube. YouTube is one of the largest video sharing platforms in the world, through which thousands of people have achieved huge incomes. Success on YouTube does not only depend on having creative ideas, but also on how to present the content, and the quality of the videos play a very important role in attracting the audience. One of the most important tools that can help you create high-quality videos is the CapCut software. In this guide, we will teach you how to edit videos in CapCut from scratch. And along with that, we will provide tips from the successes of MrBeast, one of the world's biggest YouTubers, so that you can also achieve high incomes. Step 1. Import the required files. After opening the CapCut software, create a new project. Then import all the required images and audio files, including the speaker's voice. Make sure the quality of the images and audio is high so that the final video looks more professional. Use images that are relevant to the topic to create more visual interest. If your video consists of multiple clips, arrange them in the appropriate order. Step 2. Edit and optimize the audio. Audio is one of the most important parts of any successful YouTube video. Poor quality audio or audio with a lot of interruptions can cause the audience to leave the video. Remove silent parts to make the video smoother. If necessary, use the noise reduction tool to remove excess noise. If the speaker's voice is low, increase the volume. Lesson from MrBeast. One of the reasons MrBeast gets millions of views on each of his videos is because of his professional audio editing. He always delivers clear, energetic, and without unnecessary pauses. You should pay special attention to this too. Step 3. Adjust and arrange images and videos. After editing the audio, you need to adjust the images and video clips so that they are perfectly in harmony with the audio. Place each image according to the audio content. Adjust the size and position of the images so that they look natural and attractive. Use the crop feature to better fit the images into the video frame. Use different angles to create variety so that the audience does not feel tired. To make your video more professional and dynamic, you should use animations and moving effects. In CapCut, these features are available in the Animation in Effects section. Use entry and exit animations to create smooth movements in the images. Blur, shake, glow, and other visual effects can create more appeal. If necessary, use professional transitions between clips to make the changes more natural. Lesson from MrBeast. One of the key features of MrBeast's videos is their fast-paced, high-energy editing. He constantly uses motion effects and quick cuts to keep the audience engaged until the end. This method keeps people engaged until the end of the video. Step 5. Add captions and captions. Optional. One of the pro tricks to increase audience engagement is using captions. Many YouTubers watch videos without sound, so captions can help your message get across. Use appropriate fonts and eye-catching colors to make your text stand out. If you want a section of your video to have more impact, add a caption like "Don't miss this." Before exporting your video, make sure to do a final review. Here are some tips. Now that you've done all the editing, it's time to export your video. To have a professional video, we recommend the following settings. Resolution, at least 1080p, preferably 4K if possible. Frame rate, 30 FPS or 60 FPS for smoother display. Now you have learned all the steps of video editing in CapCut, but knowing is not enough. You need to take action. Create your video, publish it, and keep producing content. YouTube is a long road, but if you are persistent, you will get results beyond your imagination. Success awaits you. This is the story of Bounce, a lively bunny with an insatiable love for hopping. Bounce lives in a cozy burrow with his family, including his wise and protective older sister, Clover. While Bounce dreams of exploring the world beyond their meadow, Clover is always there to remind him of the dangers lurking outside. One day, Bounce's curiosity gets the better of him, and he sneaks out to discover the Whispering Woods, a magical forest said to grant wishes to those who find its hidden heart. As Bounce hops deeper into the woods, he encounters a mischievous fox named Fern, who offers to guide him, but Clover, who has been secretly following to keep him safe, warns Bounce not to trust Fern. Together, the siblings navigate enchanted streams, glowing mushrooms, and a maze of talking trees. Along the way, they learn to balance adventure with caution and discover that the real magic lies in their bond as siblings. In a twist, the Whispering Woods' hidden heart turns out to be a mirror, reflecting the love and courage they already carry within. Bounce and Clover return home, their bond stronger than ever, ready for more whimsical adventures together.